Hi friends, today we are discussing the Python tutorial. Now I am starting the Python programming videos. You open the Google Colab and we will discuss about the Python. So what is Python? The Python is nothing but is a high level general purpose and a very popular programming language. Python programming language is being used in web development and machine learning applications along with all cutting edge technologies in software industry. Python language is being used by almost all tech giant companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Uber, and etc. The Python is a having a, scripting language like, so you don't have any structure. So we see how do we see one by one in the Python. So I will finish this course very rapidly with the commands. You memorize the commands and prepare yourself. Okay. Now I want to print a line in the code. How can I print? By using the print command. See here, this is a Google Colab execution runtime environment here. So we see here, I want to print hello world. I don't give a bug. So just you paste type here. I am pasting because of time constraint. Now you click on the run cell, or otherwise control enter, it can run. It initializes the Python 3 Google and connected to Python 3 Google Compute Engine backend, and it completed, and it gives the hello world. Don't give a bug. If you want to put a new code, you place code here, then you can do. Okay, and next we see one by one. The Python is having different types of data types that are numeric, dictionary, boolean, set, sequence type. In the numeric part, we are having three types of data types that are integer, complex number, and float. And the sequence type, we are having strings, list, and tuples. These are the Python types we are having. We see we do have Python operators also. We are having arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, membership and identity operators. That is Python in and is operator. Python do have conditional statement also like C and C++. Python if else, nested if statement, Python if else statements, and Python if elif else ladder, and ternary condition in Python, match case statements. We do have loops also in the Python, and that are for loop, while loop, loop control statements like break, continue, pass. Python list compressions we have, and Python dictionary compressions also we do have. As like C, C++, we do have Python functions. Python is having different type of functions, and the functions are the backbone of organized and efficient code in Python. Here we'll explore the syntax, parameter handling, return values, and variable scope, from basic concepts to advanced techniques like closure and decorators. Along the way, we also introduce versatile functions like range and powerful tools such as args and quads for flexible parameter handling. Additionally, we will delve into functional programming with the map, filter, and lambda functions. Python function syntax we have, and argument and return value in Python functions. We have Python function, global and local scope variables. Use of pass statement in function, and return statement in Python function. Python range functions. We are having arguments and quarks in Python function. Python closures, and Python self as a default argument. And decorators in Python, Python closures, map function, filter function, reduce function, and lambda function. We have Python OOP concepts that are we'll explore. OOP is nothing but object-oriented programming, from encapsulation to inheritance, polymorphism, abstract classes, and iterators. We will cover the essential concepts that empower you to build modular, reusable, and scalable code. We're having Python classes and objects, polymorphism, inheritance, abstract, encapsulation, and iterators. We have we're having exception handling also in the Python, like C, C++. We will explore how Python deals with unexpected errors, enabling you to write a robust and fault-tolerant code. We will cover file handling, including reading from and writing into files. Before diving into exception handling with the try and except blocks, you will also learn about user-defined exceptions and Python's built-in exceptions types, Python file handling, Python read files, Python write create files, exception handling, user-defined exceptions, built-in exception, tray, and except in Python. You have Python packages, libraries. The biggest strength of the Python is a huge collection of standard libraries, which can be used for the following built-in modules in Python: Python DSA libraries, machine learning, Python GUI libraries, web scraping packages, game development packages, and web frameworks like Django, Flask, image processing like OpenCV and Pillow. We do have Python collections. Here we will explore key data structures provided by Python collection module, from counting occurrences with counters to efficient queue operations with DQ. We will cover it all by measuring these collections. We will streamline your data management task in Python. We are having counters, heap queue, DQ, order dict means order dictionary, default dict means default dictionary. We will cover also Python database handling also. In this section, you will learn how to access and work with MySQL and MongoDB databases. Python MongoDB tutorial we study, and Python MS SQL tutorial also. And also we learn, all about this Python. So Python we are having with the different applications we are using now in nowadays. The Python is a versatile and widely used programming language with a vast ecosystem. Here are some areas where Python is commonly used. That is web development, means Python used to build web applications using frameworks like Django, Flask, and Pyramid. These frameworks provide tools and libraries for handling web requests, managing databases, and more. Data science and machine learning. Python is a popular in data science and machine learning due to libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. These libraries provide tools for data manipulation, analysis, visualization, and machine learning algorithms. And we're having artificial intelligence and natural language processing, means Python is widely used in AI and NLP applications, means natural language processing applications. Libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and NLTK provide tools for building and training neural networks, uh, processing natural language, and more. So we are using the game development also. Python can be used for game development using libraries like Pygame and Panda 3D. These libraries provide tools for creating 2D and 3D games, handling graphics, and more. We're having desktop applications that are Python can be used to build desktop applications using libraries like Tinter, PyQt, and WX Python. These libraries provide tools for creating graphical user interface GUIs, handling user input, and more, scripting and automation. So we can use this Python mostly in scripting and automation now in anywhere of the computer IT industry. So Python is commonly used for scripting. Is commonly used for scripting and automation tasks due to its simplicity and readability. It can be used to automate repetitive tasks, manage files and directories, and more. You can use in the web scraping and crawling also. Python is used widely used for web scraping and crawling using libraries like Beautiful Soap and Scrappy. These libraries provide tools for extracting data from websites, parsing HTML and XML, and more. You can use in education and research also. Python is commonly used in education and research due to its simplicity and readability. Many universities and research institutions use Python for teaching programming and conducting research in various fields. We can use this Python in community and ecosystem. Python has a large and active community. It has large and active community which contributes to its ecosystem. There are many third-party libraries and frameworks available for various purposes, making Python a versatile language for many applications. Python used in cross platforms also means Python is a cross platform language, which means that Python code can run on different operating systems without modification, which is the beauty of the Python. This makes it easy to develop and deploy Python applications on different platforms. This Python is also used by our ETL tool also. We see in the next upcoming sessions how the Python and we learn the Python first, then we use the Python in various fields we see later part of our videos. Before that, please subscribe and like. Thank you.